I am using ALLUCOS hair stimulating scalp cream, and after 30 minutes, I am going to wash it with ALLUCOS herbal keratin shampoo and conditioner for healthy hair growth.
Herbal face wash to control the acne, wrinkles, and anti-aging. Make your face glow and young.
With the ALLUCOS anti-acne serum, you can effectively control and reduce acne, revealing beautiful, clear skin.
For brighter, softer, and smoother skin, try ALLUCOS Brightening Cream. ALLUCOS Coffee Face Scrub reduces dark circles, puffiness under eyes, anti-aging scrub and skin brightening.